guys, today I've made easy gulab jamun. The gulab jamun is little tricky to make, but follow the step I've shared. You can make tasty and glossy gulab jamun. The first make sugar syrup. The sugar syrup should be in a correct consistency, then only the gulab jamun will be juicy. Here I have taken 2 cups of sugar and 1.5 cup of water. Switch on the flame and keep the flame in medium high and stir it till the sugar dissolves. When it starts to boil it for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Add 4 crushed cardamom pods. Because we have added 1.5 cup of water to 2 cup of sugar, so sugar syrup will not crystallize even after it cools down. No need to add lemon juice to make this sugar syrup. Before making jamun, keep the kadai with oil in a low flame. The process of making jamun is quick. You need 1 cup of full cream milk powder. Buy good milk powder, any brand is fine. And add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 3 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and sift it. Don't use these granules. Mix it well. Now add 4 tablespoons of milk, normal milk. Mix it well. You will get a sticky dough. The dough is sticky, but still it needs little more softness, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of milk. This is the consistency you need. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee, that is clarified butter. Just mix it, no need to over knead. When you add the ghee, it takes out the stickiness of the dough. I'm making a small size gulab jamun. Now I'll show how to roll the jamun. Keep the small portion in between the palm of your hand and press it and make a ball. Make sure to press it and roll it, otherwise when you fry there will be a crack in jamun. The ball looks so soft and moist. Immediately you can add this into a hot oil, but here I have to set the camera, so I'm closing this with a lid. Always keep the flame in low. To know the right temperature, add small tiny ball into oil. It should rise within 4 to 5 seconds. If it takes more time to rise, then don't add the jamun because it takes very long time to cook, as well as the outer part of the jamun will become hard. Make sure to keep the flame in low or medium low. When you first drop the dough balls into the hot oil, they will stick to the bottom, so stir the oil the way I am showing. Use a large pan so that the jamun balls are not overcrowded. Here you can see one side is turned into a golden color and other side I am trying to turn the balls, but again falling towards the same side. So what I did is I collected the jamun on the frying spoon facing the colorless side towards the bottom to get an even color. The jamun is cooked well. Transfer the jamun into a hot sugar syrup. If you have a second batch of jamun dough to make a ball, then add half or 1 teaspoon of milk and mix it well. Then make a small jamun ball and immediately fry it. Cover and rest it for 2 hours or until jamun absorb the sugar syrup. After 2 hours, jamun looks beautiful and glossy. Finally, enjoy the gulab jamun with ice cream or as it is. You can see the crack in gulab jamun. Make sure to press it and roll it. Thanks for watching.